What up out there, everybody? It's old Honky Tonk Dalton and Little Bullwhip. And tonight, we're going to do Hank Williams Jr. All my rowdy friends. She keeps messing his hat up. I guess I'll wear mine straight. I got some bling on tonight. And I got Little Bullwhip here. Let's get this hat adjusted, Little Bullwhip. But we're going to do some Hank for you. So get ready. Here we go. All my rowdy friends have settled down. Seems to be more into laid-back songs. Ain't that right, Little Bullwhip? They've all settled down. Nobody wants to get drunk and get loud. Everybody just wants to go back home. I think Little Bullwhip wants to sit down. Myself have seen my wilder days. Let me get me guitar.